Hey, what's up guys? It's Aaron with Tuna Tech, where every week I do tech reviews fast, and today we're going to take a look at a smart outdoor plug from a company called Benuo. So full disclosure on this guys, Benuo reached out to me and sent this plug to me to review for free. I did let them know before they sent it though that I was going to be completely honest and unbiased about this review, so if there's anything about this product that I don't like, I'm going to tell you guys. So in terms of selecting a smart outdoor outlet, there's three main factors that I would consider before I made my selection. So the first thing on the list would be the durability and the build quality or the weather resistance. And for me on this product, it's actually really solid. The cable that they use to connect to the actual box that houses all the electronics is a nice thick gauge cable. It's really durable feeling and strong. The box itself also feels really solid and includes kind of a weather resistant flap if you don't have anything plugged into it. And it also has an on-off switch if you want to manually turn the plug off or on, which I also thought was really nice and clicky with a rubber coating over the top to keep water and dust out. Now the Benuo Smart Outdoor Outlet does carry a weather resistance rating of IP44. So I do wish that it had a little bit better water resistance than just IP44. IP44 is going to give you pretty good dust resistance and it's going to give you normal splash resistance, so there shouldn't be any water damaging it, specifically if you have it mounted to the wall or to the siding on the outside of your house. It's not meant to sit in any standing water, but rain, things like that, should be no problem for it. So the next thing you would want to consider would be the app that you use to operate this device or what integrations it's going to have with other smart home protocols. In this particular category, I have to give the Benuo a B+. It works with almost everything from Google Assistant, Amazon Alexa, IFTTT. It works with all of those devices, and the actual app was a pretty easy, quick setup, and the app works really well. The only negative here is the fact that it does not have HomeKit support, but at this price point, a lot of devices don't. So the last thing that you'll want to consider when looking for an outdoor smart plug is going to be the price. I've looked at the iDevices smart plug, which comes in around $50 on average, so comparing the Benuo to that, it's at a fantastic price currently right now at $29.99 on Amazon. I do know the prices on devices like these do fluctuate from time to time, so make sure to click the link down below if you want to make sure you have the most current price. Guys, overall, I gotta say that the Benuo Outdoor Smart Outlet is actually pretty fantastic. For only $29, you're getting pretty solid build quality, really good integrations with all the different smart assistants, huge integrations with IFTT, so you'd be able to actually program it to turn off and on at sunrise, which I love. And then at the price of $29.99 currently, it's a pretty fantastic value. My only two negatives would be that it doesn't work with Apple's HomeKit protocol, and I really wish that it had a better IP rating than IP44. So altogether, I'd have to say it's a pretty great product that I'd recommend that you pick up. Thanks for watching.